Hello everyone! What I'm about to explain is backed by the mechanics working here in the shop, so there's no need to worry. This can be fixed. A few days ago, a customer came in with that warning light on. The first thing we check are the rear side sensors. Many tell us, the blind spot warning suddenly stopped working, I don't understand what happened. This almost always happens because the sensors get dirty, blocked by mud, or get hit during off-road driving. One of the shop techs explains, the sensors are very sensitive, and any physical obstacle can deactivate them automatically. At the same time, some customers notice that after washing the vehicle with a pressure washer or after heavy rain, the system stops working. In the shop, customers have commented, after everything got wet, the alert disappeared. It seemed like nothing was working. This happens because the sensors can interpret water or mud as an obstruction, and the system shuts down to avoid false alerts. On the other hand, software can also cause problems. Several customers told us, I updated the Uconnect system and it started working again. Jeep has even issued technical service bulletins recommending recalibrations when side mirrors are replaced or after certain maintenance, and recalibrating the sensors usually fixes the error. We also can't overlook the electrical side. Some customers experience the message appearing and disappearing while driving. In these cases, when we inspect the vehicle, we sometimes find loose wires or poor connections. One tech explains, if the signal doesn't reach the module properly, the system prefers to show an error rather than give incorrect information. To fix it in the shop, we first clean the sensors and make sure there's no dirt or mud. Then we connect the scanner to check the blind spot module and perform the necessary recalibration. If any sensor is damaged, we replace it. Customers have said, a cleaning and recalibration solved the problem in minutes. It was amazing. Finally, we always recommend not ignoring the alert because the blind spot function is key for safety. As one tech says, checking the sensors and properly recalibrating the system saves you risks on the road and ensures the alert works when you need it most. By following these steps, any Jeep Wrangler can regain full blind spot alert functionality and provide reliable safety on every trip.